have an amazing packaging from tada! UniWigs, and the quality is just amazing. It's so soft. We'll see how it will turn after coloring.
I wanted to show you that actually my platinum blonde extensions are much more lighter than the lighter color from color chart. So I'll mix these three colors because I want actually my lowlights to be about like 8 chocolate ashy color. But guys, you can use just chocolate color at the level 8 or 7, or depending what lowlights you want to use for your extensions, and just mix it with developer. Use a lower percentage of developer, like 1.5% or 1.9 or 2 or 3%. Don't try to use too harsh developers because we don't need that. We just want to give it some kind of tint to our highlight. So firstly, I'll divide into two my hair extensions. This way will be easier, and because nobody is helping me, it's kind of hard to do that. But if you have somebody to hold your extensions, this will be much more easier. Also, when I'm applying my color, I'm applying more bit at the roots and kind of smoothing it out at the end. So I'm not coloring the ends because I want to leave the ends more blonde. So we apply more color to the root and mid, but we blend it to the ends. This is actually for my taste, but if you want, you can make the lowlights until the ends. I want to make sure that my lowlights are into our color, well saturated, and after about 10 minutes I'll wash it with lukewarm water and some purple shampoo. You can use here a simple shampoo if you don't need more ashy tone, and just use some simple conditioner and style your extensions. So you'll feel like an hair artist, and it's very well secure at this point. Also, you can curl it this way. It's much more easier, trust me. If you don't have somebody around, this is very good tip. Okay guys, I want to mention that the color and hair extensions are just so shiny after coloring. That's insane. This means that this hair is very good.
Look at that color. It's like growing from my head. I'm right. Also, by the way guys, this thing like tape ins doesn't color. So I have a tip. I will actually show you that you can get some gray coverage spray or dry shampoo for brunettes, and it will hide it so nicely. If you have balayage or something like that, darker roots, and it will be perfect. But you see how this is totally different than it was before, and voila, you can see what a big difference is now, and you can see how it blends. I love this waves. It's perfect. I love it. I think we'll live together with these extensions now. Bye.